Ako ang diwata ng sining malaya na kay tagal binihag ng sukat at tugma. Iniit sa kulungan ng dapat at tama, at ang talikala ko'y ang galing na kaluma. Ngunit laya ng diwa'y di mapipigil sa pagtuklas ng pintig ng sariling buhay. Palanghay ko ay umikas sa matandang daun at saka umalaw sa pusikit na kawalan. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, the directors of Cinemalaya Bentes short film finalists. Director of Abog Baybay, P.R. Monencillo Patindol. Chris Bringas, Director of All This Wanted Space. Director of Ambot Wala Kong Kabalo Unsay Itay Dal-Ani, Ray Anthony Villaverde. Mariel Rinchi Hole Hole and Ronino Delim, Directors of Anbaga sa Dalan, The Red Trails. Director of Cross My Heart and Hope to Die, Sam Manaksa. I Was Walking on the Streets of Chinatown, Director Ryan Kapili. Director of Mama, Alexandra Brizuela. Melanie Faye, Director of Mariposa. Director of Pamalandong sa Danau, Reflection in the Marsh, Breach Asher Harani. And last but not the least, Sonny Calvento, Director of Primetime Mother. Once again, the finalists for the short film feature category. We would like to call to the stage Cinemalaya Bentes full-length film finalists. Director of Alipato at Moo, J.L. Burgos. An Errand, Director Dominic Beckard. Kip Owebanda, Director of Balota. Gulay Lang Manong, No More Than Veggies, Director BC Amparado. Joshua Cesar Medroso, Director of Cantil. Amarilla, Director of Love Child. The Hearing, Director Lawrence Fajardo. Julius Lumique, Director of The Wedding Dance. And Arlie Sweet Sumagaysay and Richard Jerui Salvadico for Tumandok. Once again, Cinemalaya Ventes full-length feature film finalists.